The internet has been on and Yagi has not. It's login. Hey, Skibo, Ski.
No,
Yagi level out here. You're subscribed to this channel for more videos.
My commissioner. How you there, sir? Thank you so much. Thank you so much for this year. Your support. Oh, you know when I call your name since? Now they delay. My commissioner. Thank you for the show. Where I do this year. My commissioner, my brother, they give her and now you get money. Now let's see the first me. Nobody go get money, now you go the whole now. Give who get money. My commissioner. All these boys, nobody not saying as I make money. Now not know anything. Now me, I learn for. Now me. I spread. Now about it. This 40,000, I'll craze for. In fact, all the rest of women are shift. I won't crack joke for your ear. Oh boy. People that do things. At the time people say cut your coat according to your size. Not they do pass yourself. Commissioner, this joke now for you. He get one man. The man watch American film. For the film, because he gate. House gate. He like the gate. But this gate cost. This man full pension for 50 years. As a PM, the man go buy gate. He not build house. Buy gate, put fence. Every day, armed robber go they pass the place. They gossip the gate. Oh boy. The house will get this gate, eh? The money will go there. You know some robber, they sabi conclude. You never enter. Don't pass another day. Oh boy, see gate. One day, the armed robber say, today we must rob this house. This armed robber, they call another group of armed robbers. Say, guy, we are not there. Other one say, we there, they go already. Server, and I get mission. I say, yes. They may not turn back. Now I say, why? So we get where we want rob. The gate alone. Now die. Inside that house, for enter without blow. He show up past Baba Jebu. I just want to turn back. First time for my life was where armed robber, they rent sledgehammer, shovel, and rake. Like I said, they want to do sanitation. They reach the gate. 11:30. That's how they break gate. 4:30. Gate number 4. And you know, say for Lagos, people they quick wake up. People don't wake up 4:30, they go work. They don't they greet the armed robbers them. Oh, na good morning. Other one greet them. Men I go well. God go bless you now. Armed robber. See today, we must this place. We must even though they break meters, we must enter here. Then they break. Because Lagos people go wake up. Even the one not get work, they wake up early. Because they don't need alarm. It don't their head. 4:30, you just see person wake up. Wah! Run enter bathroom. Brush my. We have trousers. Go run. Reach bus stop. You go call remember say not get work. You go back house, go sleep. That's all Lagos be. I'm robber that they break. 6:30 a.m. Now gate 4. Boy! As they enter inside, I'm robber that they breathe. They join enter, you just see one small house. Like where security they stay. They enter inside, they see one man sleep on top of mat. One of them brother called it, I'll tell you now. I'll tell you now, the security place with this. The main house there inside. They just need to wake that man. Say, man, wake up, say, my brother. First time, I'm brother, they get respect. Say, good morning, sir. I beg if you just give her water, more drink. The man said, I just stop your water again. They said, just bring her more share. As I drink, they look the man, they say, God go bless you. When they go walk, when they come back, we will change your life. Now they ask the man, say, I bear no verse. Where the house? We get this gate. Now the man say, at the house with this. Now the armed robber say, he just wake up or sleep. Men take water, clean the high. You know some people feel they talk from sleep. They call the man against our no verse. The house, we get this gate. The man said, I be this, now me get the gate. You think pain the armed robber Ghana and start crying. Oh God, you. Okay, you say waiting. Okay, no use me play now because this is your joke where you crack now. Don't make me the cry. Okay, more serious talk. Okay, more serious. Okay. We had this road, little. The man said, "Here, not the road hand." The robber said, "Yo, okay, so why you buy just gate where you not build house? Okay, it's not of build house now. It's not of build house now. Why you wasting money for the gate? Okay. 11:30. Now we go here. When you the hear us say not the for the game back up. Why you not just wake up, got this other side? They shall say nothing this side, nothing this side. The man say if I 10 and I not go believe now. Seeing is believing, so when I don't come in, I go see. They won't kill him. Anger. But now the things they not be that. That's why read what Biggie talks on. He say, he said, make women not they check my phone. Better thing. My wife, hey, no password I don't put. When my wife not they open, I go put password 226688. So that I go put percent. Just to have number, that before I sleep wake. My wife open and hold my phone, they check. Who be this guy? I change her from password. I enter. You know this pattern. My brother, you don't say. I enter pattern. No pattern one not do. It is one place. I take my hand and use my toe. Continue. Before I sleep, wake. I did sleep for 3 now. Yes. Now wait till I hear be not no say na my phone that they hope I because now let my pattern get that this. My wife open up. I change your check. I got this one place one day. I just change password. As I wake up, I don't forget them. I don't know now. I can't go meet my wife. I beg you. If you open our phone. Oh. I didn't tell you, blame not it. Papa Freeman, thank you, sir. Mommy, God bless you. Thanks for giving birth to another man. Because the way this boy they do, blind at 2 years, he's just but not too old. Well, I don't know. Freeman and Samuel Person at the same primary school they go. Samuel Person they say, well, Jesus, sir, thank you. Not be choco. People don't hold though. We are telling us every man don't hold that they bust pimples near where are they. Instead of pus go come out and they see plenty juice from Bessie face. I say no, this guy don't take. Now bros are they call her the way they say bros. Say no bros, not they call me bros. I say no, they jam the bros. You na bros. I beg. A peace rain. I can honor my headers before I go get problem. Bros have now. So later they scratch baby. Nobody force you to get her now. Cut her now. Don't get baby like this. Now so one guy do. He just see person will get baby say be a gang. I beg this guy tire. He said, no, I must get my own. What? Wait till you want rob. He said, not concern you. And no sir must get. Not this boy. We don't know wait till he rob. He just sleep, wake up. Boy! If you see air don't fool everywhere. Cover high. If you want to see the now we they answer, wait till you rob. He said, no, they just miss her for me. Now hard for shit to see my face. Wait till you rob. Yeah? Commissioner now for Lagos now army tear police slap. Not Bishop yesterday. Army tear police tag. The policeman just turn look me. Wait till I do. I said I want to know what you do. Now the policeman look me, hey, but you stand there now. You stand there, you see everything. Wait till I do. I be one talk. But when I look the army man, he they do like this. I don't know when I talk to deaf and dumb. The policeman say, but he they talk now. I say, I they talk, but anytime I like to be deaf and dumb, and they be deaf and dumb. If army go fit slap you, wait be police like this, what they go do me? Wait be say, come, I beg. But did they pay me? I be that they crazy so. We have to know say Amin and they be recraze men. Nobody see where they carry that you. Amin, I be recraze people. Know how you craze rich when you reach where Amin you they normal. I don't see craze man where they knock mangolo. Back up. He go down. Back up. He reach where Amin the army checkpoint. I they look like this. I say yes. I want to see what will happen today. I see they go there. Back up. As he just near the army checkpoint, I don't know. He said the guy. Just hold the thing away. He call working normal. I shock. Christmas they greet me. Una well done. Una they hard working. Now they work. Una they guide us where he pass. Now worker go meet her for front after he don't cross. I say my brother, but you like Christmas now? You dey do back up. But why you reach here you can't stop? He say you dey crazy. I be Christmas, not get sent. You know they be army. They are slap, they change career. Don't leave me like this. Not take me play. Another thing I go talk before I carry myself come here. Because who they ask me that question, why they carry myself go? No, your house. Bush baby. And also go talk that thing, that man way fat like another share. Now be you talk. Okay, I don't they plan you since you're gonna eat they attack everybody. Now let you wear polo be like advanced canopy. No, now so everybody will talk now the answer is so. Don't say worry people on your day like that to just kill your career. You get one man. What you do the man? So the way they do comedy now, they get power to yab. In fact, now what now we take train. Not be other way free man they talk now. Now course. On what we enter course from course enter yabdi. Take and take. Me where they rehearse with full market. Market women with they rehearse, they quarry. This one will cost me, I will cost her. This one will cost me, I will cost her. This one. At the end, you see the market women say, I bet me not give her water, I will not try. Now only you, just because you plenty like AC waste boy, you tag of here. I kill you. I didn't tell you. I don't want to crack some joke. Then I call one of my friend make her do music. The boy the verse he hot. Wait, you say you do it with them? Comedy night with which people? Okay, time off. Let me do 10 name. Okay, which day they start? Which day? Like day? Which of the day? Every last Sunday of the month. Okay, free month go start in the start comedy club. Make I explain comedy club. Comedy club now be where you just go laugh. You buy drink, then comedians go come, they call laugh. Sorry, people will come call laugh. Now for time off, Ute. It go start last Sunday of January. Now they start this one another correct one. It make person strong. Normally they make comedians strong. So that's how you feel the test line now. So kind of you carry go stage before you go there. You your test down with people. Yes. But your premier not be like Coco Lounge. You get one club or Lagos, now Coco Lounge. That one, that the whole cutlass come. Person just come buy beer. Some people just come by 2 p.m. for afternoon. State, you when the thing go start by 9. They sip and small, like saying a drip. I shock one guy, they use the cover. Who they say, my brother, now coffee, they mug you cup. He said, no, I know I like rush myself. I take things easy for life. So this is the way they drink. So now 4 days he go stay. Those people, their blood they hot. They cut anybody neck. They don't want to know. They don't want to know how you funny. That's my name, bro. That's how we roll here. That's how I love you guys too, right? That's how we roll. This country need to craze. When I start this matter, I start this crazy. The fellow look me say, more see where I go rich. Let me see there now. We are going nowhere. I don't get any work I won't do again. I don't try every work. You know work. I don't go teach before. Commissioner, let me joke. I teach. A is for apple. B is for what? See? Talk where? Talk back. Teach 3 months. So because I flog one student. They say they won't use my money, renovate the beginning. Like I say begin a building. And for that I tell myself, say, no worry, no, just face this your comedy. Nothing go work. So now music, comedy, dance. Now they do steady. I don't express myself. I should dance for you. You are mad. Dance for you with sexy voice. They say to me, my wife, they tell me, we say, now they turn me on. Now you they talk. I should dance for you. So when I dance for you, what do you go happen? You got to tell me, say, you should follow me home. I know say that kind of if you tell me, I'm not going to say no. You are mad. One more time. Man, worry picking not they carry last. We know they get one talent. We they get them plenty. So that if this one not work, this one go work. And they do comedy, they do music. If I crack joke, reach one place, it's not fun again. I go enter music. Musicians, they go get problem. If I do music, you know, answer, I go down. See, I don't want to, this industry, we go spread like virus. We they, yeah, they wait anybody. As they come with the wait. I don't follow anybody drag, but I just they among first 10. I know they hold, I know they go, just like Fremont. That's what I want. Yes. Hey, DJ. What is your name? DJ Benson. Blessing. DJ Blessing. That's nice. I hope you are blessed. You sure? Okay. Not be later, you tell me to make I bless you. And your name already. You are blessed already. Just when men of God they tell us that time. That's how they start comedy. If I don't perform finish for church, you go hear the next thing. God is taking you somewhere. You are blessed. Your miracle is on the way. Miracle is on the way. Take it. I'll say amen. Another day, God. Another day, God. It is one that's about that. God, we. I say, Pastor, wait. Give me transport. I won't go wait on my miracle for that road. I like to then just tell me the bus stop. I go there the next bus stop. They wait for them. Say, I beg. Don't kill me. Ah. Now, you get what way they happen where you don't know. He go to marry a fine woman. People they tell me, why your wife fine like that? I don't know. Did they vex me? They ask me that question. So the way I did so, you they find make a marry like this, have you? Make a bomb, make my picking be like prayer points. Not waiting there. And they try to help my life. Bible say write your vision and make it plain. I know say if I marry a fine woman, my children they go fine. Another one. And I don't born them 3. They're fine. Hello. If I see the body, they sweet me. I look my children one that say, thank God, do not be me born them. And my wife they touch me say I don't understand. So waiting they try to tell me say I don't go shit. I said no. He just fuck on my man. And the way they take fine. Blessing another papa and I get them. Not best. Children, they're fresh. My twin, they got born there for US. Now here we there now. I want Chris. Commissioners are happy finish. That thing. Where is your happy finish? Not be joke. One you both TMB bill. And then leave children. No? I mean they explain, give white women say, now children are born, now picking human. I'm not born ghost, not be a mother or her born now. I'm not born a yelala. Wait here, they say yes, so boy, this price, get this God. Yeah? They suck me. This one they not use straw. Not be straw they use. They use normal that pipe whether they use for no where sucking shit they use. That this way sucking shit. They suck me anyhow. And they walk out lean. Where they get joy. Now when I collect the passport, 2 blue passport. Inside the passport, they just write the word is yours. My body just come down for the money we pay. God. Our passport will be green. Wait till they write if you go collect it. Allah, you double your hustle. You sit down, you die before your time. Just walk. Play all day. Right hand. Anything where you find for life, right hand down, walk towards them. Not just sit down. Many people sit down now called lazy. Poverty called day. Why? Because you don't want to walk. They complain about Buhari. Buhari know you. He don't know you. He don't know you. Just walk. If another person come because your laziness, you'll still complain. 2019 is here again. Not collect bag of rice. You know fish shop for 4 years. No, it's about 4 years. My high hope on. Affliction will not arise second time. People will understand it I talk. I'm not a support anybody. Like this. If you ask me now, say, I want me to vote. I want me to vote Aso Rock. Just the building. May nobody there inside. May they just lock the door. May breeze blow them. Love them like this. I don't understand. This one can't do it home. This one can't do it home. This one can't. See small Ghana here. See their airport. Airport fine. But that airport na scam. As you reach the fine airport, as you pass the airport, you enter poverty. Because then self they suffer. But airport good. See our airport or Lagos. The person who build that airport, even though you won't build house, give your gods for your village, you go first ask us whether we deserve the same gods. So build something, be like small bakery. Airport get 82 AC. I don't count them. If you just land, that's it. 82 AC. You know they go. Now one day, now we open our say now microwave. That my brother, now wahala. But we are going somewhere. One thing I like now, we believe say tomorrow is better. Tomorrow is better. Election don't they come again now. Now they tell they adjust anything they want to adjust. The one way you not like, who you not like. Now they say whether my vote go count, it go count. If they want rig and make the rig and not concern you, you don't do your own. Make God fight the rest. Please. Not just sit down, no. You go suffer. 4 years now, not funny. Huh? Comedian with a fine show like say tomorrow, not be play. One pastor, they tell him, say, Pastor, you know they invite me again. He said, over me, I not get members. So me, I not get members. Now small as fellowship I do. We they do morning devotion. I don't know when I tell her, I say, that morning devotion, you can still give me 5 minutes. I can perform for that morning devotion. We they find things. When I want to go to Lagos, I know say people they price. Money not there. Table of 1 billion. If you see pricing, can't go miss on chairman. Chairman, don't bring them. It's how much? I say 1 million. Say I borrow the price with that. I say, yeah, that's what you buy and sense. Yeah. Say, but you know, agree 150. For 1 million. 150. I said, Chairman, it is small. He said, I borrow collect now because if you don't take time, let's go now, collect 20,000. No time. But we are blessed. So I talk to you, I can't come out. 3 months, I go pick my money. No. Before you give your mama. You give your mama 20,000. Million and better money with that. Or solely money. That money is the one you spray or the one you put for pocket. Let's spray in the night. You see life. Million to serve your picking now. I'm working this one. Or now your mother is speaking, so I need to find my mama go over there. Yes, make I explain so that you don't say, hey, I say I was stingy. No, I get mama. Jesus. I don't talk any else. Thank you, teacher. I don't talk any else. Money carry power. Money. One guy will die. What will eat him? They jump the leg, carry a hospital for the bed where they. That's why jump on one pay giver. As they ask doctor, say how much. The guy treatment. The doctor said that 170,000. That guy did that day. He had 120,000. This guy now 42 years. He never seen 25,000. As he had 120,000, the man said, okay, no problem, I will pay. As the man go bring money, the splash and give doctor. You see the way this guy take break up. He told him, and doctor said, but you are sick. He said, that your sickness. That your sickness. People that die, how much of they bury me? My family, the doctor must not book at them. How much? 18,000. I'll still get change. Are you mad? Eh? Come on, let's make a go here. This one like idiot. People go survive. You don't give me money. Money they give you strength, even when you won't die. You won't. How you know why you talk like that? Advice I don't come. You carry nylon. With your big nylon, where you carry now? What did they give? Me will not bring nylon. Momo, he rush not bring nylon. The one you go do like me, wait, pack motor for outside to collect money full. I pack motor for outside. Doesn't have left in the gun, you prepare gun. You understand? The way they fold, you just fold the hand. They fold and pull for cheek. They look the money where they give you. You know something pure worry making. If I not kill you, make a die. Arm robber said, "Bellop me for this money." He go show me the bullet. And he go test them. He go shoot coach mate die first before I go believe. I don't do it. I don't trouble. And they tell you, they don't transfer. Okay, the transfer, they won't come now. And then you get, you did it. Think of that. You see they talk at me. You see they talk, it's not going to know you. I know your voice. Move from darkness. I'm planning you come. You know that's what you can do for every show. You know they buy tickets. After you don't mix up your senior brand, they'll give you that, they distort people. And you wear polo be like native. We don't know where you stand. You just plenty. People tell you get money now. They don't know say. They don't know say that they swear when they swear for your village. Like there your forehead they walk up. I like the guy. 40 years, I don't know now. I don't tell you now. 40 years. He don't wear that polo for 42 years. I brought some tail for somebody else. Don't do different job. They did AC before. He get one time follow carry juju, it didn't know what. He get one time they sell temple for show, you know what. He get one time he do run so he do gay the way they say so. He do gay the carry and the shop and say you too fat. Your flesh they block place where we start to enter. He enter rob and walk. Anytime they go rob, they run leave him. You know they feel wrong. He don't do different thing. He enter kidnap and walk. He kidnap person at the hand. They kidnap him. He don't do. He try wizard. They say they let fly come meeting. You know they meet up quick. Different thing. He don't do pastor work from here. The church not full. He wish what I want they preach give himself. They come out. He don't do comedy. He crack joke. He not funny because body flesh block his throat. What do you want to tell me? What do you never do? For colonizer for here. He don't pump himself.